Nagbabas na si Mr. Sunrise. Ito, ganda ng view. Good morning sa lahat. Papawis tayo. Share ko sa inyo yung view. Ito yung si Sunrise. So guys, nandito na tayo sa Dubai Islands Beach. Ito yan, share ko sa inyo yung view. Guys, what's up? Good morning guys, meron naman tayong ride. At ngayon guys, ang weather condition dito is pa-ins na ng summer. So mag-start na yung winter, saktong sakto. At guys, yung tawag natin ng ride dito, solo recovery ride. Kasi yung sa summer, nakapahinga tayo, hindi tayo nag-ride sa sobrang init. Gusto kong shout out si Kapnat sa pagpahiram niya sa GoPro. Nasira kasi yung GoPro ko. Shout out din kay Kapropo, Kaprobert, shout out kay Sydney, shout out sa lahat ng chicklista, shout out kay Tangkad. Gusto ko rin shout out yung misis ko sa Kamigin, si Olala, at sa mga kids, shout out sa inyong tanan. Time check, ang oras natin ngayon din around 5:13 in the morning. Good morning sa lahat, happy Sunday. Bike check muna tayo. So guys, check muna natin kung meron tayong nakalimutan. Tail light, may tubig, headlight, speedometer, saddle bag, kompleto si Canondel, perfect check, naka-helmet, naka-tinker. O guys, share ko sa inyo yung location natin dito. Ito yon. At yung malapit na landmark natin, ito, makikita dito yung Infinity Bridge, yung iconic na bridge dito sa Dubai. So, yung ruta pala natin, doon tayo punta sa Dubai Islands. Since matagal-tagal tayong hindi nakapag-ride, i-check natin kung mayroon bang bago doon. Kasi on progress yung island na yon. Sana may makita tayong bago, tapos dadaan din tayo sa beach nila. Kasi maganda din yung hangin doon, maganda yung view. Tara guys, let's go! I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes and face the blast. Sleepless nights and getting sleep.
start feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take the face value, just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. I've got adrenaline wasted, so I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I know what it takes when you're making mistakes like that. I'll paint on your face to make you not take it back. I lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And I ain't gon' wish you shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heated up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I've got adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning.
Meanwhile,
Stop over tayo. There is a bridge up to Dubai Island. You guys, oh. Kanandal dyan, nakapark. Silbi yung mga wooden boat na yan. Yung chassis. Dito yan yung daan sa ilalim ng tulay. Yung arco na yan doon banda, yun yung ang Infinity Bridge na doon tayo galing. Makikita din natin ito. May clean na naman. Yung view dito. Diretso na tayo sa ating ride up to Dubai Island. Let's go!
a few moments later.
So guys, update. Dito na tayo sa Dubai Island. Mag-start na tayo mag-ride guys. So dito yun. Tara na guys, let's go! Guys, lupabas na ang si Mr. Sunrise. So, ganda ng view. Good morning sa lahat. Papawis tayo, galaw-galaw. Kita natin kayo. Share ko sa inyo ang view. Ito yung sunrise.
Later.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa Dubai Islands Beach. So yan, dito tayo guys. Ang oras natin ngayon, time check, around 7 o'clock. Kunti na lang, pauwi na din tayo. Share ko sa inyo yung view.
Take me back to a place where I felt to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
Saan nyo? Ang ganda ng view.
Way back before we blew it all.
Kaming nag-weekend dito sa Island Beach. Hike natin si Canondel yun. Tambay. Saglit lang na. Quick view lang tayo. Kasi pauwi na din tayo. Kaya init-init na din. Ito yung beach dito. Maraming nag-enjoy sa weekend nila dito. Nag-swimming. Meron ding naka-shade. Shout out everyone. Yun lang guys ang share ko. Kasi mainit na. Gusto na tayong umuwi.
5 minutes later. One eternity later.
Successful yung solo recovery ride natin. Galing sa summer, nakapahinga tayo. O guys, dito na tayo, nakabalik na tayo dito sa starting point natin. Tapos yung ride natin doon sa Dubai Islands. Guys, enjoy tayo kasi nakakapapawis tayo. Yun ang importante. May mga physical activities tayo. Ngayon guys, maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at pagsuporta. At guys, kung bago ka pa sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, at comment down below. Don't forget also to hit the notification bell button para updated ka sa mga bagong videos. At guys, hanggang sa muli, see you next time for more videos. Bye-bye!